Hi guys, today we're going to replace OEM reverse bulbs in 2020 Toyota RAV4. This is a bulb that we'll be replacing. We'll be using the LED bulbs from Auxito. Here they are. As you can see, they have LED elements all around the light bulb, which should provide us 360-degree illumination. They should be very bright. They fit sockets 906, 912, 921, etc. And Auxito suggests to only use these LED bulbs for the backup light. And that's exactly what we'll be doing. If you guys like this product, I will leave the link in the description. The installation is very simple. You just need to remove this protective cover in the back of the hatch door, and you'll see the OEM light bulb right here. Just turn it counterclockwise and remove the original bulb. Insert the LED. You can put the car into reverse and make sure that it works. Yes, it is. And now we can put it back inside. Turn it clockwise and reinstall the cover. And this is a difference that we get. It's pretty bright outside, so you can't really tell how bright it is, even though it is a lot brighter than OEM, and of course it's white. And right now we'll go to a darker area and we'll show you guys the difference this way. And again guys, this is the difference between the LED and the OEM. Of course, LED looks a lot better. And as I said, these LEDs are available at Auxito website, and I will leave the link for these LEDs in the description. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.